Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your ReliaCard at Dollar General, follow these step-by-step instructions to get your prepaid card ready for use. Step 1. Locate a Dollar General store near you. Visit the store during regular business hours when customer service is available. Step 2. Bring your ReliaCard and a valid form of government-issued identification, such as a driver's license or state ID card. Step 3. Go to the checkout counter or customer service desk and inform the associate that you need to activate your ReliaCard. Step 4. Present your ReliaCard and identification to the Dollar General employee. They may need to scan your ID and card barcode. Step 5. The associate will process the activation through their system. This may take a few moments as they enter the required information. Step 6. You may be asked to sign a receipt or confirmation document verifying the activation. Review any information before signing. Step 7. Set up your PIN if you haven't already done so. The associate may provide instructions on how to do this via phone or online. Step 8. Once activation is confirmed, test your card by checking the balance at an ATM or making a small purchase. Keep your receipt and activation confirmation for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.